everyone, Nicole here from CellBotics. I am the cell phone repair trainer and the business course trainer, and this is...
I'm Michelle. I'm the computer hardware repair trainer here at CellBotics.
And we are going to talk today about how to get an EIN for free. A lot of you out there are looking to open a business, and this goes for any business. So if you just came across this video and you're like, who the heck is CellBotics? We teach cell phone and computer repair, micro soldering, and business courses, but we teach them primarily geared towards the repair industry currently. But we are developing our business course to where we can offer it to any industry. So this is something that we teach in our business course. And I felt like this was something that was pretty simple, but not a lot of people know. Your EIN is free. Okay?
Yes.
It's an employer identification number. A lot of people will go on Google, they will search it. The first couple places that you come up to are actually paid. So
ads.
Yeah, they're ads. So you think, then you go to the site and you see, oh, $500 or $200 or even $100, I gotta pay. You don't have to pay for an EIN. It is completely free on the IRS website, which I will put below right here, and I will put below in the descriptions the link for you to get an EIN. Now, hopefully, if you're watching this video, you know why you need an EIN. And I get this question a lot. People ask me, I'm not going to have employees. Why do I need an EIN? Because it stands for Employer Identification Number. So you assume, well, it's saying I'm an employer. Well, in reality, if you think of an EIN like a social security number for your business.
Exactly.
When students come to our class and I go over business with them, I always say, your business is now a person.
It's an entity.
Okay?
Exactly.
It's an entity of its own. It has its own expenses. It pays you good, hopefully, if you do the right work. And it has to file taxes every year, and so do you. And so basically, if you think of your business as its own thing, its own entity, its own person, then you will realize an EIN is like a social security number for your business, and that's the number you file taxes with. It's not really on a state level. In some states, they don't even care about that. Some of their applications will ask for it, but I've owned businesses in multiple different states, small towns, big cities, and it really depends on your jurisdiction. So once you've got your EIN, then you go on to getting your local business license. So it's not just like, I have an EIN and now I can run my business. Now, there are certain laws about doing like, well, maybe you don't need an EIN. Maybe you're just doing like a little side hustle and you want to file that income as just, you know, yourself.
Personal.
Yeah, personal income, like I clean houses, you know, or something like that. You file it under yourself and you don't need an EIN, or you can file as what they would call sole proprietor, right? And so, but an EIN is like LLCs, corporations, and you know, we're not attorneys or tax people, but yeah, this is the best way for me to break it down for you. I'm not going to tell you what type of business to make. I'm just telling you, if you want an EIN, you already know what kind of business you're creating. You just have to go to the link, follow the steps, and the EIN is free and immediate.
Yes.
Right. So the paper at the end of the steps that the IRS is going to give you, you need to print that and save it in a PDF. Okay, that goes with you everywhere. I have mine, yeah. I have mine back from like 2007 or 6 when I had my first NR Enterprises in Florida. Okay, if you were to go to sunbiz.org and look up NR Enterprises, you would see me registered as a business from when I was like 18 years old when I had my first business, okay? It is dissolved because I didn't know when I left my business, I took it out of state. I thought I had to dissolve the EIN, get a new one. So, hey, you know, you learn through your mistakes, right?
I made the same mistake because I used to own the Fiesta Ole chili company. I made gourmet chili in several different varieties. And
all kinds of stuff.
But I was in Jersey. And so I thought the same thing. But I learned, like Nicole, later on that wasn't the case. I could have changed it or modified that business. Now, the other thing with EINs is because you have a company entity, it also allows you to establish company credit and get your DUNS number. And we'll talk about that on another video on that.
Woo, that's big. Okay, so all right, so that's how you get a free EIN is go to the link here in front of us and down below and just go fill it out on your own and bam, you got your EIN, no money at all. Okay?
All right, now I'm Michelle with CellBotics. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe. We're going to be putting out a lot of content.
Exactly. And don't forget, we teach beginners. Come here and learn a lot of good stuff from us.
Yeah, visit our website, cellbotics.com. You're going to find a lot of information there. If you're not in the electronics industry, that's okay, because we have new stuff coming out. So check us out and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.